Well, it's time for Tracy's Little Traffic Buddies as we take you to Cougar Ridge Elementary School in Bellevue. These safety patrol kids learn to be respectful but firm when keeping other students safe. They also raise and lower the flags each day. Their advisor says they work well as a team every day. A big thank you to Cougar Ridge Elementary School for being a part of Tracy's Little Traffic Buddies. Now, if you would like to nominate a safety patrol, you can do so by emailing me at ttaylor@king5.com. Joyce?
I think they all want in.
Yeah.
Good
That's
groups.
a huge group, too.
Yeah. Good group.
All righty. Thanks, Tracy.